nights ago, okay, we just had FOMC, okay, that went by at 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, the US Federal Bank have kept rates unchanged. Okay, and for those of you who always wondered how do we read such events, okay, central bank events news report, okay, you can actually find, hold on, let me just share the screen. Chinwei, can you let me share the screen?
You able to share already?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so here, okay, Forex Factory. Okay, you see Thursday FOMC news. Okay, and the rates are displayed right here. Okay, so you see they kept rates unchanged at 0.25%. Okay, when you click on this folder, okay, you can actually get the latest release right here. Okay, so it will bring you to the web page where you can actually find the latest press conference summary, okay, right here. And it is something like this, okay, for in this case, not too long. So I won't bore you through the details, okay, but in summary, the Fed has quite a pessimistic outlook, okay, quite a pessimistic outlook in the US economy, okay, and hence has led to USD weakening slightly, okay, weakening slightly during that night itself, okay, during the night itself, okay, but what we see, hold on, let me share my charts as well. Okay, what we see immediately after that, okay, in the day, in the morning, okay, and throughout the day is we did see US strengthen. Okay, so if I bring you to the hour chart, okay, this is about where, okay, FOMC was released, USD weakened, went up, tested many resistances and supports, okay, and then has continued to weaken, okay, and adding on to this USD strength, okay, it is one Trump, our favorite character, Mr. Donald Trump, has tweeted yesterday also, okay, that he feels that whatever the Fed has a forecast, he don't agree with them. Okay, he don't agree with them. He has mentioned that. Let me just bring you there. Yeah, you see, you can refer to news as well on Forex Factory on the right side. Okay, so he is wrong so often, and he does predict a strong 2-0 to 1. Okay, and hence yesterday it led to further US strengthening because I believe this is quite a hawkish sentiment. Okay, and at the same time with the conflict going on, okay, with China, Australia, and all that, there's a bit of a risk on mentality where you can see also yen, okay, has strengthened, safe haven currencies have strengthened. USD also considered actually quite a safe haven currency and has strengthened as well. So now let me just drill you back into the charts, okay, for US CAD. Okay, we have seen, okay, right here, okay, this is where FOMC took place. Okay, USD weakened and bounced back and then continued to strengthen after that. Okay, not so much news on the oil front. Okay, but we do see a general weakness in, general strength in the USD. Okay, now US CAD is actually breaking my resistance. Okay, we do look, at this point, I will not want to do anything. Okay, but it is a decision point where we wait whether or not it will break strongly, okay, and we can possibly trade it upwards, Okay, if not, we will look for a bounce. But just bear in mind that US CAD is still pretty much on a downtrend. Okay, if this resistance hold, we will be looking to sell. But at this point, due to the recent strength, okay, we let's not be too impatient with this trade. Okay, let's just wait and see what happens. And even if it breaks upwards, okay, I will be a bit more cautious to buy. In fact, I will wait for the price to break another resistance level before buying up. Okay, this could be a retracement in play. Okay, moving to oil. Okay, we do see oil also hitting some form of resistance and weakening with the strengthening of the USD. Okay, possibly has come down to this level again, like CAD. Okay, it is. We also wait for a possible move. Okay, whether it is bouncing off this support level or breaking through. Okay, but if you realize the trend, okay, is inverted to CAD, okay, due to where the base currency is placed, okay, we will also be more cautious to be selling at this point, okay, because again, this is a counter trend trade. Okay, so as today is Friday, okay, I will not be looking to answer answer much trade at this time. Okay, today's news, nothing much going on. Okay, so keep attention to these levels and let's see whether we have a breakout or a bounce, whether the levels hold. Okay, entering a trade today may cause you to hold the trade over the weekend. Okay, and due to current global situation, uh, anything could happen over the weekend. We do not want to be caught, okay, gapped up on Monday. Yeah, so that is what I have for today, US CAD and all. Daniel, do you have anything to add on?
Yes. If everybody attended the previous sessions itself, that you have noticed that what Jin has mentioned about the pound and pound yen, he's been waiting very, very long. So let me share what happened. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let me share. Good morning. Okay, sharing. So everybody can see my chart. Yes. Okay. Great. So you can see when Jin was preparing the pound discussing on the pound trades itself, he was waiting very nicely and predicted about a break of this level about 135.2 around this area. And if you waited patiently, indeed, last night it broke down below the support level. And you can see it traded very nicely all throughout the night. Hopefully someone of you guys have actually take the trade. It goes around about almost 100 pips. I took the trade last night and got some profits as well. Of course, I didn't take it all the way to 100. It was so late at night as well, taken about half or 50 pips itself. So that's great. So if you have looking back into the past trades, it's a pretty good trade. If you have a planning, you have done the correct planning and attended the currency call, you will have noticed that this kind of trade, you have to wait patiently where we give you, you will look at it and you can profit it. Yeah, that's all I have update now.
Okay, so I'll take the time back. So just a quick shout out to people that are interested in the Traders Club. Yeah, so a lot of us, when we do the poll, we saw that, hey, there's a Traders Club. So in case you're wondering what is this, the Traders Club is actually a exclusive private group for Jin's students, subscribers to actually come in and discuss trading together. So for example, we have the getting started tutorials for people that are new to trading and new to our style of trading. So like they will go through, last week, Daniel went through MACD indicators, like Bollinger Bands, how do we use it, economic news, yeah, even back testing the strategy, resistance support zones, how do you draw that? As you've seen on Jonathan's computer, he did quite a nice job in drawing the support resistance zones. Yeah, then we also have signals for people that come in from the Telegram. We flash out the signals here first, and then we will do in the Telegram later, and you will see like analysis from the person firing out the signals so that you can learn. And all this analysis is also back to the getting started tutorials. We are using the exact same strategy. And yeah, we even tell you, hey, it's a short-term counter trend trade, suggest to close at TP1. So these are things that we don't tell you in the Telegram groups. Telegram group, yeah. So we have even like daily analysis for you to, you know, get your fundamentals there, watch lists, and we have a weekly live call every Monday where Jin personally will do some coaching on the spot for people, for the members. Yeah, so if you're interested, I'll drop in the link in the chat in a moment. Actually, I'll do it now. So just give me a minute. Yeah, but on the same note, just note that this webinar will be recorded, and you can check this out in our YouTube also once we uploaded it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you guys on Monday for the Aussie and New Zealand analysis. Thank you so much.
Thanks everyone. Trade safe.
Thank you.